If you're facing a problem where your Roblox purchases are not showing up, this is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So let's get straight into the video. So there might be a couple of reasons why you could be facing this problem, like server delays, low internet connection, payment not completed, account not logged in, or item is limited and takes time to load. So the first thing you want to try to do is check your balance. So go to the Roblox balance page to see if your Robux was added. Allow up to 5 to 10 minutes for Robux to appear. If that is not the case, you want to simply check your inventory and items, go to avatar and inventory, and simply go ahead and use the filter or search to find your item that you purchased. If that is not the case, you might want to go ahead and check your transaction history, head into the account settings, billings, and transactions, and then make sure that the purchase shows as completed and not pending or failed. So there's sometimes a delay with Roblox because it processes the purchase, waits a few minutes and refresh the page. If that is not the case, you might need to log out and log back in, or even go ahead and check different devices like PC, mobile, or console. Also, if it is a group payout, then simply go ahead and check that out, and also check email for any receipts. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.